Hello and welcome everybody. So this will be our first video of our Solve It series. So in this series we are going to look into the most frequently asked questions for the topic that we are currently studying. So we are currently studying cryptography. So we are going to look into the most asked questions related to cryptography. So our today's question is how to generate random strings with ASCII characters. So in this we are looking at a question where we need to generate random strings. uh, so it could be of any length, and it will be based on the ASCII characters, that will be smaller case letters, uppercase letters, and numeric, and there can be other signs, but we are going to look into only these three things. So I I have created one uh, file, random string generation. So this is the same project as crypto d. So we are going to create random strings. Okay, so let's see how can we do this. So first I'm going to import random. So next we are going to create a function for our generate function. So it would be like def generate string. So we are going to be taking the length of the string. Okay, that's it, and let's pass it, and I'm going to print generate string here, and let's say I'm going to give length 5. So this is our goal, and this is the function that's going to generate our random string. So let's see first our collection. So collection would be from what characters you want to generate that string. So I'm here we can use complete uppercase, lowercase, and integer characters. So there are two ways to create our collection. So it could be we can type A, B, C, D like this, the whole string, and the other is we can use a string module. So let me import string, and here we have string dot ASCII uppercase, plus I can go with string dot ASCII lowercase, and then string dot digits. So this will give us the uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and the digits. Let's print it and see if we have our complete collection. I'm going to run this uh, Python random string generation. Okay, so here we have A through Z here, then again A through Z in the small characters here, and then we have 0 to 9. Okay, so we have the collection from which we want to generate our string. Second is we need to now uh, get a random character out of it. Okay, so our random character would be random character equals to random dot choice. So I can use our collection for choice, and let's print a random character. So let's run it again. Here I can see I have Q as a random character. Then if I run it again, I have I small, run it again, H character. So this gives us a random character every time. There is one more function, choices. Let's see what this gives. Okay, so choices gives us random character but in array. So I think I can give it the length. So let's say I need two random characters, but that is not key equals to 2. Let's see. Okay, yes. So we have this k equals to 2, and k equals to, if I can give length, Okay, so this gives us length, random choices for our collection. So this is our random choices, this k is length and our collection. So we have a random string, so we need is in the string format. So this random characters now is available in array format. So this is the array that is available. So what we can do is we can return by this joining it as a string. So what this does is this will join all the characters of this random character array with nothing. So there is nothing available here, so I am returning it. So yeah, we got this. So if I put a space here, we will get a space in between. If I put anything else, so this will join it with that character. Okay, so I am not putting anything else, so it is giving us this. So this will generate a random string. So let me generate a random string for line 10. So this is a random string. So that's it for generating a random string. So how this can be useful is if we want to generate some random passwords, we want to generate some random keys, this can be used. So this is a random string generation, can be used in a lot of places based on our usability. So with this small function we can generate our random string. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.